YouTube. Got a little update for you. Just brought my car over to my other house. Finna start back working on that thing. And y'all get a little glimpse of it because I'm about to pull the motor out. All the way out. I got a bus freeze plug, so I'm changing all of them. And I'm finna put a new intake gasket on it. New oil pan with drain plugs on both sides for the turbos. And I'm about to put a cam in that thing. It's gonna be my first cam install, and I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna record the whole installment of the cam. Never did one before, so I hope it go right. And I'm going from top dead center, dropping that thing in. See how it turn out. I'm trying to get a little mild cam on. Really know what size to get for these stock valve springs, but I'm about to get a cam for this thing and see what happens. So if any of y'all have any advice on what kind of size cam to pick, let me know, man, for 2 turbos. For my little build, you know. So, you know, check that thing out, bruh. Y'all waiting on me to finish that thing. It's coming soon, bro. It's coming soon. I'm back at it now. So shit. Let me see what I got. Got my shit organized. Got a high performance fuel pump. Might put electric one on here, but I don't know. That's for now. Fuel gauge. Yeah, man, I think I'm ready to get it done, bro. Got my motor horse, a rental. One of my friends. Appreciate that, buddy. You gotta modify your shit to make it work, but I'm gonna make it work, you know. I got the horse to pull that thing out. Need a piece of chain now. So it's about to go down, man. Putting that cam in right here. Right with that chair, man. Putting that cam in right there. The radiator, aluminum radiator. Put 3 fans on that thing. So you know. But yeah, she finna come out. And this time, I'm putting just the engine out, not the transmission. So I'm finna go unbolt it from the transmission tonight. Break all the screws loose, get them all out. Set my other table up. So all my parts coming off the motor can go on the table. Gotta paint the motor. She going back blue. Blue car, blue motor. 454.